You know that super addictive garlic butter they spread on Domino's garlic bread? We are making that today, but fresher, more flavorful, and all homemade. Welcome back to the yummy vibes. Let's dive straight in. First, we've taken full 5 garlic bulbs. Just break them open to get all the cloves out. Now, to make peeling easier, we are soaking the cloves in water for a bit. इससे garlic का छिलका आसानी से निकलता है. Meanwhile, I'm plucking some fresh rosemary leaves from the garden. Fresh herbs always give a beautiful aroma and flavor. If in case you don't have it, you can skip this step. Back to the garlic, we are peeling all the cloves now. You can see how easily it comes off after soaking. For the butter, I've taken about 250 grams of salted butter, kept at room temperature so it's soft and spreadable. We are using approx 30 to 35 garlic cloves here because I love a strong garlic hit. If you prefer milder flavor, adjust the quantity to taste. And no, we are not sauteing the garlic. Garlic loses its sharp flavor when cooked. And this spread is all about raw garlicky punch, the Domino style. Using a garlic mincer, I'm grating all the garlic directly over the butter. This tool is super handy. I've linked it in the description below. देखो कितना फाइन आ रहा है एंड सिंस वी आर यूजिंग रॉ गार्लिक इवन इट्स juice is going in. All that flavor gets locked in. Now back to our rosemary. I had soaked it earlier and now I'm patting it dry completely. Chop it finely. Rosemary gives a bold earthy aroma that really elevates this butter. Again, if you don't have fresh rosemary, you can go with dry rosemary from the store or you can skip it completely. Next, chop a handful of coriander leaves as well. Now in the garlic butter bowl, add the finely chopped rosemary, finely chopped coriander, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, 1 tablespoon mixed Italian seasonings. Now mix it all really well, that's it. Your garlic butter is ready. Use it on toast, pizza bases, garlic naan, roti, pasta or literally anything. Keep it refrigerated in an airtight container and it'll stay good for a few days. Hope you loved this Domino style garlic butter recipe. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more delicious vibes every day.